I am not a financial advisor, and I never give financial advice on this channel. 100% of this content is for entertainment purposes only. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. It's Lane here with MetaShackle. I just wanted to go over something really quickly. This is the XRP chart. And as many of you know, Judge Annalisa Torres did not approve the Ripple settlement, which has caused the price of XRP to basically break down. We just came down and hit this bullish fair value gap right here, centered at about this 232 level. We've filled this week doji, these 2 week dojis, and this week doji, all on the hourly charts. Many people are expecting a really shallow correction. And granted, this fair value gap is acting as support so far, but we are now breaking well into the Gaussian channel, testing right off of the center line. There's a good chance that if we break to the downside of the Gaussian channel, coming down to the 200-day moving average, we could go even lower. And as I mentioned in a previous video not very long ago, there remains a gap on the chart right here in yellow, as you can clearly see, that has not been filled, centered at 218.5. If the price of XRP falls to the bottom of the Gaussian channel, it takes out the 200-day moving average. Not only is it very likely that we will fill this gap, but that we may fill the fair value gaps below it as well, one on the hourly, one on the 4-hour, taking out this reverse waterfall weak doji as well as this one, which may very well act as an echo, which is a repeating weak doji, coming down to this fair value gap right here on the 4-hour chart at the 203 level, which coincidentally is exactly where the liquidity zone I have been talking about starts. Going all the way from that level there down to this level here at about 183.5. Of which we have a weak doji reverse waterfall right here at 192, which is my target, as well as one down here on the hourly chart at the bottom of the liquidity zone. Now, there are very few gaps on this chart, and most of the time when a gap forms on this particular chart, it fills. But if we also lose the 200-day moving average in the process of filling this gap, what are the odds that a flash crash would occur, bringing the price down through here into the liquidity zone for the drawn liquidity that I've been talking about right here in or past this fair value gap, hitting the gray box? I think we're about to witness much more than just a shallow correction. In the coming days, perhaps even weeks. Then, at the precise moment the opportunity is at its highest and the controllers have filled their bags, we will likely see XRP break to the upside, fulfilling what the XRP breakout chart has been telling us, that the breakout would begin in the month of May, which it has, moving into June, July, possibly even August. Just something to think about. For additional information and exclusive perks, do consider joining me on Patreon.